So the next item that I'm going to make a review is a back with a posture corrector belt. It's because I always, I always have a bad back. I don't know, I'm getting old, so I got this one for myself because I normally, I normally sit like this, but along the way when I get tired, I tend to change my posture, and then I get to turn, I turn like this, and it makes my back hurt. So I bought this one on Timo. It's a bit scary, but I don't know. I'm just trying stuff, and what stuff that's really good for me. And if it works, then it works. If it's not, then oh well. Since you want to try things that, since I want to try and look for things that works for me, then and see if I can, suggest it with anyone or somebody or anybody or anyone who'd like to try the product as well. So this is what it looks like. This, I don't really know how to put this on. So let me just get back to you guys and let me just try this on. Here's what it looks like. And I'm not sure if you can see it from behind. Let me just go outside and show you. Here it is. Not sure if you can see it. You see that? See? There. Kind of nice, and it makes me like straighten my back, maintain a correct composure, and also it's like aesthetically nice as well. I'm going back in the car because it's quite cold here. So if you guys like that, get it on Timo.